Hello students, myself Ankit Agarwal. Today I am discussing about Introduction to Theory of Machines. Theory of Machine is an important subject of 5th SEM. This lecture gives the introduction to Theory of Machine. It includes its definition, its introduction, definition of machine, subdivisions of theory of machine, definition of link, and its various types. That all it includes. Now, what is theory of machine? The subject theory of machine may be defined as that branch of engineering which deals with the study of relative motion between the various parts of a machine and the forces which act upon them. यानी कि जो थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन है वो एक ब्रांच है इंजीनियरिंग की जो किसके साथ डील करता है. इट डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ relative motion between the various parts of a machine and the forces which act on them. Now, what is machine? It is defined as a device which receives energy and convert into some useful work. हम मशीन किसे कहेंगे? जो एनर्जी रिसीव करता है और जो वो एनर्जी उसने रिसीव करी है वो किसी यूजफुल वर्क में उसको कन्वर्ट करता है. मशीन इज इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज ए डिवाइस which receives energy and convert into some useful work. Subdivisions of theory of machine. There subdivisions इसको हम branches भी बोल सकते हैं. There are 4 branches of theory of machine. First one is statics, second one is dynamics, third one is kinematics, fourth one is kinetics. Now first one is statics. It is that branch of theory of machine which deals with the forces acting on a machine at rest. जब मशीन रेस्ट पे होगी उस टाइम पे जो फोर्सेस लग रही होंगी उसकी थ्योरी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टैटिक्स. डायनेमिक्स. Second one is dynamics. It is that branch of theory of machine which deals with the forces acting on a machine in motion. स्टैटिक्स क्या होता है? जब मशीन रेस्ट पे हो उस टाइम कौन सी फोर्सेस लग रही हैं उसको डील करना, उस ब्रांच को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टैटिक्स. जब मशीन मोशन में हो तो उस ब्रांच को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डायनेमिक्स. डायनेमिक्स की फर्दर 2 ब्रांचेज होती हैं, काइनेमेटिक्स एंड काइनेटिक्स. काइनेमेटिक्स क्या है? इट इज़ दैट ब्रांच ऑफ थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन विच डील्स विद द relative motion between the various parts of the machine. Kinetics, it is that branch of theory of machine which deals with the inertia forces which arise from the combined effect of mass and machine parts. Again, there are 4 branches of theory of machine. First one is statics, second one is dynamics, third one is kinematics, fourth one is kinetics. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कैनेमेटिक लिंक और एलिमेंट। हम कैनेमेटिक लिंक का ही एलिमेंट बोलते हैं। नाउ व्हाट इज इट? इट इज ईच पार्ट ऑफ ए मशीन विच मूव्स relative to another part is known as kinematic link. What is kinematic link? Each part of a machine which moves relative to another part. It consists of several parts which are fastened together. For example, in a reciprocating steam engine, there are 4 links. The first link, piston rod and crosshead constitute the first link. Connecting rod with small and big end bearings constitute the second link. Crankshaft and flywheel constitute the third link. Cylinder, engine frame and main bearings constitute the fourth link. A link should have the following 2 characteristics. It should have relative motion. It must be a resistant body. अब ये resistant body क्या होती है? A body is said to be a resistant body if it is capable of transmitting the required forces with negligible deformation. A link or element need not to be a rigid body, but it must be a resistant body. Types of links. There are basically 4 types of links. First one is rigid link, second one is flexible link, third one is fluid link. Now fourth one is now the types of links based on attachment. In this category there are 3 types. First one is binary link, second one is ternary link, third one is quaternary link. Now what is rigid link? A rigid link is one which does not undergo any deformation while transmitting motion. For example, connecting rod, lever, etc. Flexible link. A flexible link is one which is partly deformed in a manner not to affect the transmission of motion. For example, chain, belt, rope, etc. Third one is fluid link. A fluid link is one which is formed by having a fluid and the motion is transmitted through the fluid by pressure or compression only. For example, oil in hydraulic system. Now types of links based on attachment. First one is binary link. Binary link is that link having 2 connection, or we say that it has 2 nodes. Ternary link. Ternary link is the link which has 3 connections, or we can say that which has 3 nodes. Quaternary link. Quaternary link is that link which has 4 connections, or we can say that which has 4 nodes. This is all about the lecture 1 of theory of machines, that is introduction to theory of machines. It includes, first one is definition of machine, Now next is definition of theory of machine. Now the subdivisions or branches of theory of machine. Now the link and the types of links.